Hi, my name's Frankie. I've been growing and studying plants for almost 7 years, and today I'm going to be teaching you why your orchid pseudobulbs are shriveling. The most common orchid that people buy with a pseudobulb is the famous Oncidium orchid. They have beautiful flowers, gorgeous long thin leaves, and also something interesting called a pseudobulb. Growing a perfect, smooth, and disease-free pseudobulb is very hard. And if you have an Oncidium orchid that has a perfect pseudobulb that you've been caring for a couple of years, please tell me your secrets. This is what a well-hydrated and pretty healthy Oncidium pseudobulb will look like. And these are what unhealthy and diseased Oncidium pseudobulbs will look like. Although I am trying my best to revive them, these pseudobulbs are far from healthy. They have endured a terrible disease called black rot. This is what it looks like. Now, if in your situation your Oncidium pseudobulbs have leaves and look like this, the leaves may soon die. As you can see, these are where the leaves have come out of for mine. You can see where it was attached to the pseudobulb. And it's just a matter of time before the disease from the pseudobulb affects the leaves as well. So once you see signs of black spot or an unhealthy and shriveled Oncidium pseudobulb, you should try to take care of it as quick as you can. Now let's get to the meat of this video. Why the pseudobulbs look like this and have these diseases. First off, Oncidium orchids are extremely susceptible to a disease like this called black spot and black rot and other things like that. Their roots are extremely thin, which means that the fewer roots they have, the less amount of water they can get up to the pseudobulb. Also, because they have such thin roots, they rot very quickly the moister the soil is. However, the thing is, Oncidium pseudobulbs love a lot of water, which is a struggle because that means the more water you put in, the happier they'll be, but it also means the quicker that their roots will rot. And the reason why they're shrivelly like this is because they don't have enough water stored inside of them. They're using the last of the water they have to keep them alive, and so all of the water is getting burned out. So my advice, if you have this issue as I do, make sure to water your Oncidium orchid regularly. So keep a consistent schedule of once a week. Give your Oncidium orchid a good drenching of water, and don't be scared to water it until you see water coming out of the drainage hole. Also, repot your Oncidium orchid once a year. This will make sure that even as much as you water it, the roots won't have a chance to rot because of the amount of times you're repotting it, which means that it'll continue getting fresh, new media to grow into that your Oncidium orchid will greatly appreciate. Now, don't be fooled. Even if your Oncidium looks beautiful like this, you've had it for a couple of years, and it has healthy looking pseudobulbs, it could have an internal disease that is soon going to break out. So make sure to continue following these steps to avoid that from beginning. And that's all you need to know about why your Oncidium pseudobulbs are shriveling up and may have a disease. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to share it with any friends and family who will also appreciate this kind of content. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye, guys.